Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you this new and amazingly delicious recipe. This Polynesian jerk chicken stole the whole Thanksgiving show, guys. It was juicy, sweet, spicy, succulent, fall off the bone. It was so flavorful, it had everybody going back for seconds. It's that perfect. It's like island meets holiday vibe, tender chicken dripping in Polynesian glaze with that bold jerk kick. Trust me, this dish didn't just sit on the table, it shut it down. Shut it down, guys. So here I have my simple brine, and it is just sugar, salt, water, smoky marinade, and some lemon. You're gonna let this sit in the brine for about 4 to 6 hours. Remove, you can air dry or pat dry your chicken using a paper towel. Now the spices and the herbs that I'm using here will be in the description box. So we're going to add, after we mix our dry herbs together, we are going to add the jerk sauce and the Pollination, the star of the show. So this came about when I was pregnant with my daughter. These two sauces was actually my go-to. You're gonna add a little bit of mustard, and it was game changer. I mean, hands down, one of the best marinade you guys are going to make. You're going to add your softened butter. Again, I'm not getting sponsored by Chick-fil-A, but this Polynesian sauce, I mean, you guys just need to try it. All right, and you guys are going to thank me later, trust me. After mixing, you are going to apply this generously, guys, under the skin of the chicken and over the chicken. But let's start with under the chicken. Under the breast first, and you're also going to do the thighs as well. And I let my marinade, I let this sit in the marinade for actually overnight. The brine I can do 4 to 6 hours because I do not like turkey, so I did do turkey this year. But the chicken though, guys, hands down. And I let this bake over a bed of vegetables. You can use vegetables or not. So I baked for 1 hour in a 400 degrees oven, covered, and removed the foil, based, and I let it cook in a 350 degrees oven for an additional 30 minutes. And this is what it looks like. You can mix some jerk sauce and the Polynesian sauce and pour right over with the juice from the chicken, and you can make additional sauce there as well. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed, what are you guys waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, like, share, drop me a comment, let me know if you guys are gonna make this, and if you do, let me know how good it is, because it is absolutely delicious. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.